Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this application, NC Extraction. This application will read the data in NC file and list out that information in report format. This application is independent and can extract data from NC files exported from Tekla, Revit, Advanced Steel, and other softwares. Once you double click, it will open this NC extraction report. You have an option to consider the hole as cut if the diameter is greater than or equal to 50. If you tick off this box, then it will be counted as hole. Click load info. For demo purpose, I'm going to take only one NC file now. Select and click open. Here you can see the data. So it shows the quantity is 3, number of holes, and then the rate, number of slotted holes, scribes, and number of cuts. This is the rate for one member, and this is multiplied by the quantities. So this is the unit rate for holes, slotted holes, scribe, and cut. If you change this one, it will automatically update the total. For example, here you can see. Let's cross-check this information. So the number of holes 5, number of slotted holes 6. So I go back to Tekla. So this is M2. So there are 2 holes here and 3 holes. So total 5. And 6 slotted holes, and then we have 2 plates here. So if I go back to this report, that's correct, and number of cuts 8, because I'm considering the hole diameter which is greater than or equal to 50 as cut. So if I go back to Tekla again, now so this hole size is greater than 50. So there are 4 holes and the cut 5, 6, and the notch, one on the top and one at the bottom. So it is not considering fit part end because you don't need to consider that. So there are total 8 cuts. Now if I tick off this box and then run this report once again, it will change the number of holes and number of cuts. Previously it was 8, now it is 4. Previously it was 5, now it is 9. Let me run this one for all these files. Click open. Now you can see, when you create NC files, make sure that you also tick this contour marking, export, NC files, and keep this box on if you want to get information about number of scribes. I'm going to run this application once again for all the NC files and click open. Now here you can see how fast this can extract that information from NC files. You can also export this report into Excel and click save. This application will be quite useful to get exact details from the NC data. Feel free to get back to me if you need any further information. Of course, this application is available for sale on my website, and thank you for watching this video.